What's the meaning of care assistant? Care assistant. Care assistant.
Care assistant. Care assistant. A care assistant is a person who provides assistance and support to individuals who require help with daily living activities due to illness, age, or disability. They may work in nursing homes, care homes, hospitals, or private residences, and their duties typically include tasks such as helping patients with personal hygiene, dressing, feeding, and mobility. Care assistants may also provide emotional support to their clients and help them participate in recreational activities. Overall, care assistants play a vital role in ensuring the well-being and comfort of those who need it most.